the drawing show. It's the drawing show.
Welcome to the drawing show. How's everybody doing? All of you artists, psychos out there. Okay, I have a lot to say and I didn't give myself a whole lot of time to say it. But today we're going to talk about school because a lot of you have told me that you're going to school or you're about to go to school and you want to do art and stuff, and that's awesome. And so let's talk about it. I'm talking about college, I think, or university. Let's talk about mentality. Why are you going? Answer that question for yourself, and only you can answer that. But can you learn everything that they have to teach you outside of school? Yes. So why would you go? What's the point? You're surrounding yourself with like-minded people. We talked about that in the last video. Some of the most important like-minded people are your teachers. So do you think your teacher has only the daily lesson worth of wisdom and knowledge to provide you with? No! They have so much more wisdom and knowledge to provide you with outside of their lesson. Their lessons are very important, and you need to work hard and show them that you take what they're trying to teach you seriously and do as good of a job at it as possible. But I want to challenge you and I want to encourage you, especially all of you shy people out there, talk to your teachers. And I don't just mean during class asking questions. Um, you should do that too, but after class, go up to them, talk to them, ask them questions about them, how just even mundane stuff like how their day was. I mean, I kind of feel like I'm um, trying to teach you about how to make new friends, but I mean, essentially, yeah. I mean, you're not going to click with everybody, and that's fine. I'm not saying that you need to try to force some relationship, um, but just be interested in somebody else, and be interested in your teachers. They have dedicated their lives to teaching other people and helping them, helping you learn more about the thing that you're passionate about learning. So passionate that you have dedicated time and money to learning more about it. So take advantage of what your teachers have to offer more, even more than just uh, what they have planned in their lesson in class. So what's the point? I want you to think about what's important to you. Is it making good grades, learning your lessons, getting better at art? Or is it also growing as a person, creating new memories? Whether you think you do or not, you are affecting other people in their lives. So I just want you to think about that before you go to school.